Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I got new hair today. I was supposed to be doing some Marley twists and that didn't work out. But I said I'm going to be like resourceful and I'm just going to make the best of it. And so I went to the hair store and I got some hair. I got the Freetress ample curl hair. The pack looks like this and it comes with 2 times as much hair. Only used a pack and a half. This is what I had left over. This is the half pack that's left. So I used a full pack and then half of this pack to get this half up, half down style. It's really fun. It's cute for like going to work or going to a party or whatever. So stay tuned and you'll see how I got this style. I started off using my favorite hair cream. It's 100% raw shea butter. I also use Eco Styling Gel, and I used Grow Strong Cream, a comb and scissors, rubber bands, and a brush. My hair is like this because I was going to do twists and I had separated my hair, but the twist didn't work out. So, anyway, the first thing I did was separate where I was going to have the bun in the front versus the rest of the hair in the back. So I had to untwist a little bit, but I sectioned off my hair and I pulled everything that I wanted to go to the front. And then I pinned up the back. I didn't do anything fancy back here. I didn't even untwist the twist that I had in. I just pinned it all up. So I didn't show you guys when I did the back of my hair, but I will show you how I did the front. A crochet style is not hard. It doesn't take very much time. It's just sometimes I need to be able to see. And so I went to my bathroom so I could look in the mirror and see the back of my head. And it's tough to do it in front of the camera. So right here, I'm just slathering on all of my creams and my gels. I want my hair to be moisturized. I want it to be safe. I don't want it to break off when I take this style down. I'm going to leave this in for 2 weeks, and I know that it will probably rain on me and I will probably sweat. And I want my hair to stay moisturized so it can look good when I take it down. That's the thing about these styles. They are to like protect your hair. And you can't protect your hair if your hair is dry. Point, I had used 1 full pack of hair in the back, and then I ended up using a half a pack in the front. Putting my hair in a rubber band, putting it as tight as possible without it breaking my hair, and then I'm going to put my hair into a bun. I did plait my hair first, and then I put it into the bun. I had to bobby pin down a small section on the side of my bun because that's where I accidentally cut my hair, so it didn't go up into the ponytail. Wrapping this bun, I'm going to put a rubber band on it. I think I actually did 2, and that's just to make sure that when I'm like crocheting the hair into it, the bun doesn't come undone. And now for the crochet part, I just take my latch hook, I stick it into the bun and in front and on the sides of the bun. The very first one I did inside the bun. And I took a piece of hair, I ripped it in two, but I put it back together. That's just to give the hair body, and then inserted the latch hook, pull the hair through, and then looped it. You'll see me here going in the front. I actually did 2 pieces, I think. I pulled it apart and then I took another piece to put with it. I like to do double because it just takes less time. And doing it in the front, I can see how the hair is going to lay. So I'm just working my way around that little bun and making it as full as possible without it being too puffy. I don't want to have too much hair in the top because it's supposed to be a ponytail. Here is another angle, and you'll be able to see from this angle that my part is not perfect at all. You really won't see the part if you are a stickler for a really straight part. Of course, you can do that, but I know that most of my part won't be seen. And even if it is, I wanted it to look more natural. I didn't need it to be perfect. I just wanted it to look like I had thrown my hair up into a ponytail. In all, this style took me about an hour to do. It did not take long at all. It's one of those really fun styles that, like, if you're going to go to a party last minute and you want to do something different with your hair, you can do it. The half up, half down doesn't take as much time as if you were going to do your entire head. If you're going to do your whole head, it'll probably take about an hour and a half. At this point, I'm pulling up the front hair, putting it in a little ponytail with a rubber band. If you want to do two rubber bands, you can. I just did one. I wanted it to hold loosely, so I didn't loop it twice. I only put it on there one time. And then I'm just going to pull the hair down so that rubber band goes down just a little bit. The hair will hang and it will fall over the front where you inserted the hair. The last thing you need to do is trim the front of the hair so it sits like a ponytail. Be very careful. You don't want to cut too much.